of the time, you people hear me talk about, your nervous system, your nerves are sensitized, how to, you need to regulate your nervous system for you to recover from anxiety. Some of these symptoms will only go away when your nerves are desensitized. So I know a couple of you ask, like, okay, now how do we regulate our nervous system? And the truth be told is, there is no tip, there is no method that shall just tell you that, what, this is what you need to do to calm down your nervous system, this is what you need to do to desensitize, this is what you need to do to regulate your nervous system. There is no tip that I'll just throw away at you, because if there was, then I would have done that a couple of weeks ago, a couple of months ago. So because there isn't, that's why you have not heard me say anywhere that you need to do this to regulate your nervous system, you need to do this so that your symptoms may go away. There is no method like that. And someone who is telling you a tip, or go and do this so that your nervous system can calm down, that is someone trying to scam you, that is someone trying to sell something to you, which in the long run may not work. The only way to regain long-term freedom, you have to put in the work. You have to put in the effort. It is a process. It is a journey. And that's why I always have the 6-month program. I have a 6-month program to teach you how anxiety works, the mechanics of anxiety, why you're having these symptoms, what you need to do to regulate your nervous system, what you need to do to calm down, the foundations of anxiety recovery, how to deal with the difficult days, how to deal with setbacks, how to regain confidence in the anxiety recovery journey, and finally how to get your life back. It is not something that I'll throw away at you, that go and do this thing so that you can get your life back. It is not a tip, it is a process. And for you to see a difference in your symptoms, in the physical symptoms, in the intrusive thoughts, for you to see a significant change, that now you can say, I used to have this symptom but I no longer have it, I'm starting to feel like I'm regaining my old self. It takes 6 months. It takes 6 months for you to be there, for you to be able to see a significant change with the anxiety. So if you're someone who is interested in getting their life back, if you're someone who is not interested in winging it, you want to get this anxiety demon off your back, you want someone who is not winging it, someone who is able to listen to you, to listen to your specific situation and tell you this is what is keeping you in the anxiety cycle, whether it's a behavior that you're doing knowingly or unknowingly, someone who will hold your hand, a mentor who will tell you that this is the way, this is what you're doing is what is keeping you in the anxiety cycle, then I have a 6-month program that will help you learn about anxiety, the mistakes that you're doing, what you did that led you into the anxiety cycle that you should not do again, the behaviors that are keeping you in the cycle, and what you should do to stop feeling the way you're feeling, to get your life back. So if this is something that you're interested in, the link is on my bio. You can book a call and I'll tell you more about the program.